Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? For today, since the forex market is still taking in effect of the U.S. presidential election, and there is a really strong and stable trend for the U.S. dollar and Japanese yen, and as well, I do receive question quite often, and the question is that if the strategy that I have been introducing is suitable for long-term trading, like 30 minutes or 60 minutes. So for today, I will be trading with a 60 minutes option period, and then the strategy is just a normal strategy that I have been talking about. Is the simple moving average crossover with the MACD. So I will place a trade first, and while I wait for the result to come out, I will explain it to you the points that you need to keep in mind with while trading the long-term options like 60 minutes and the advantage of a short-term of a long-term trading. So first let me set up the indicators first, and then I will explain it to you the detail. Okay, so let's go to technical indicator. Yep, just click on the little buddy right there. Okay, yep. Okay, so first we'll select the simple moving average, put a tick there. Okay, so next we'll open the drop down for simple moving average. Yep, alright, open the drop down, and then now we need to confirm that all the SMAs are selected. Then next we'll go to the parameter. So click on parameter. So SMA 1 will change to 7. SMA 2 we change it to 13, and SMA 3 we change it to 100. So again, 7, 13, and 100. So okay, so after making sure of that, we'll go to the oscillator. So we'll click on oscillator, and then the next thing we need to select is the MACD. So put a tick on MACD. Okay, put a tick right there, and then open the drop down for MACD. Okay, so the parameter for MACD, since it's a long-term option, so we will leave the setting for the MACD to default, which is 12, 26, and 9. We will leave it to default. Again, we're leaving it to default. So okay, after we get that done, we can close the technical indicators window. So since I'm trading with a 60 minutes option, for today, I'll be using a 10 minutes chart period, so just for the price to have enough space for the price to move. So okay, so now we are all done and we are all ready. So just let me place a trade first, and then I will explain it to you why I placed that trade. Okay, so I will place it now. Okay, so again, the strategy is just the normal strategy that we have been using every day. Is the simple moving average crossover and then MACD confirmation. So to use this strategy first, we need to confirm the trend direction. So we will be looking at the simple moving average. So now it's below the candlestick and it's heading upward, and we can say that the trend is in a uptrend. So since the trend is an uptrend, we will look for timing to open a high option. So the timing for us to open a high option, first we'll confirm the two simple moving average, the blue and red one. So I need them to cross over, and I need the blue lines to be on top of the red line. So again, the blue lines need to be on top of the red line, and that is a bullish indication that I get from the simple moving average. So to confirm that that signal from simple moving average is correct, we will then move on to the MACD. Then when we move on to the MACD, we need the two lines to cross over, and then I need the a green histogram to come out. And then after I get all these points, I found out all these signals, then I will open a high option. So again, that's the same as when we use this strategy in the short-term trading, like 30 seconds. So nothing changed on that. So and now I'm just going to talk about a few things about long-term trading and the advantage of long-term trading. So first, let's take a look at the timing that I opened this trade. Remember when I used this strategy in short-term trading, I opened the trade once I gather all the signals But then for this 60 minutes option, since it's a long-term trading, so the price is actually more stable when it's in a trend market. So as you see here, I actually placed the trade few candlesticks after the crossover from the MACD. So so the advantage for you is that in long-term trading, just like I said just now, the price is more stable and it's more likely to move towards to the trend direction. So you don't need to be as rushed to open the trade right after the signal comes out. You can actually, well, if you miss the moment when they cross over, you can actually still place a trade few candlesticks after the signal comes out, and that is still a profitable chance for you. So that's the first advantage. So it's not to rush if you trade with a long-term option like this. So the second is that it's just another function from the MACD. So you see from the histogram, the purple and green bars at the bottom in the histogram. So in the MACD, so the histogram actually tells you the momentum, the strength of the price movement. So you see, just take a look at this part here. The histogram, it grows from small to big, and then it back to small, and then it changes into purple. And that is actually the development of a price movement. It starts with a weak movement, and then it gets strong, and then when it reaches to a peak, it goes down again. So that's how the price develops. So in here you see I opened a trade when the price is still not as strong and still developing. So by looking at that, I know that the price is still going to develop, and it's going to get stronger. The upward movement is going to get stronger, and then that actually gives me more winning chances, because I know that the price is still going to go upward, and the momentum, the strength is going to grow. So that actually is one of the criteria that for me when I decided if I should open the trade. So that's these two are actually the points when you trade with long-term trading. So you don't actually need to place a trade right after the signal comes out. You can take your time and then take a look at the histogram and see if the price is still developing into your direction, and then if it is developing into your direction, open a trade, and then just sit back and wait for the profit to come in. And well, since these days is just right after the US presidential election, the trend market is still going to continue, and I'm guessing it's actually quite a good timing for you to do long-term tradings like 60 minutes or 30 minutes, because even if you are in first trading, 60 minutes is actually categorized into scalping. So if you trade 60 minutes in final option, it's just like how you scalp in forex. So the profit is actually quite a lot. So when you trade with 60 minutes option, the payout is 90%. So if I invest $100 in it, and if the trade ends in profit, then the amount that I'm going to get back is going to be $190, and that is almost double of my investment. So well, take a look at it and give it a few try, and I'm pretty sure you might like long-term trading like 60 minutes. So well, okay, so well, I still have a long time here, so I will fast forward a bit, and then I will see you again when this trade is finished. Okay, so well, it's about to finish and it's looking good, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get these profits. Okay, so well, let's take a look at the history, and just like as we do normally. Okay, so well, one trade, 60 minutes, and profit is $90. So again, take a look at long-term tradings, especially after the US presidential election, and I'm pretty sure the price is going to be quite stable if you are using a 10 minutes chart. So, well, if you do have any question in regards to long-term trading, just feel free to leave me a comment down there. Or if you are not sure if the indicator setting that you're using is suitable for 60 minutes option, leave me a comment down there as well, and then I can get back to you with an answer. So, well, that's pretty much it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video. And I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye!